We're back with the late 19th century, early 20th century bed pelmet, and I'm just showing you three designs that haven't been out there in the public yet. And one is this rather lovely squirrel, and I can't wait to stitch that. I've got it drawn out in pencil, and I haven't really decided what's going on in this corner, because you can see each design is a little scene, and it's rather imitating the idyllic scenes of the 18th century. So if we move across to the stag, and this, you can see it's worked by an amateur. You see these really choppy little tiny long and short stitch, and they're worked in a double thread as well, which is kind of the first time you really see double thread coming in, which is about the 1880s onwards. And I use double thread usually at the top through to single thread for a more subtle look. So this embroiderer has worked very hard to create this piece, and you can see it's an amateur piece because the design is kind of slightly all over the place, but they've had a great deal of fun. And if you move along to here, perhaps the next generation has started this design, which is a peacock. Can you make out the outline here of the bird and his tail? It's a male peacock, which is really signifying Christ in most designs in needlework through history.